Are y'all aware that we're in a heat wave? Today is day 7 straight of temperatures in the 90s, and that's what classifies a heat wave, 3 days or more where your high temperature is 90 degrees. Today we're at day 7. However, we're forecasted to get to at least day 17. And that got me thinking, how does that compare to other years? This is the first heat wave of the season, and it's a pretty big one. So I thought about it. Let's take the 24 years on this side of 2000 and the 24 years on the other side of 2000, and let's compare heat waves. Now, first things first, the average temperature from 1975 to 1999 was 86.5 degrees for this time of year, for June. However, from 2000 to 2004, it's a little warmer, 89 degrees. So not a major change, but things are slightly higher. Let's talk about our first heat wave. Now, we talked about today's having likely a heat wave of 17 straight days by the time we get to the end of this, if not more. Well, from 2000 to 2024, we've seen at least 17 heat waves spanning that length. From 75 to 99, it was only 15. But let's talk more about those heat waves. From 75 to 99, we saw that 15 number, and that accounted for 329 days in that span that were greater than 90 degrees in temperature. However, if we're talking about from 2000 to 24, 372 days. So we're starting to see some more heat, but the numbers don't show a major gradient. That also got me thinking, what's the hottest year ever recorded? Well, a blast from the past. It was 1930. They had 24 days that year that tied or exceeded the record high temperature. And the highest temperature of those days was 111 degrees, which was the hottest day ever recorded in Alabama history. Well, that's just a little touch of our heat wave as it compared to that of years past. With coverage you can count on, in studio, morning meteorologist Grace Anello, WADE 31 News.